One day, Monday to Friday, gets up, walks to the station, waits for the train, gets out at the first stop, walks to the office, sits in the office, has lunch, sits in the office, walks to the station, comes home, peace. One day, two, Saturday and Sundays, gets up, late does the washing, goes shopping, comes home, watches TV, goes out, eats out, comes home, watches TV, paints one day, two or three, one day, gets up early, goes to the station, waits for the train, doesn't get up at the first stop, doesn't get up at the fifth stop, stays on the train. Where does this go? Watches through the windows.